How to remove header from GoDaddy page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to empty up the header from the content that it is going to contain. Basically, it is not possible to remove completely the header from GoDaddy website, but we can remove some of the elements that we are going to have in there. So it is going to be very simple. We're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to open up our account or the products. Click on my products, and then we're going to find all of the specific websites that we have created. Once we have did that, we're going to select any of the websites, and then we're going to have it right there. So I want to mention something that the header is only going to be, or the whole header is going to be implemented only on the homepage. But if you're going to have another page added to the website, it's not going to show completely the header that you have on the homepage. So it is going to be only, let's say here, between brackets, it is going to implement or have the site navigation only, also the logo. I'm going to click on edit website in here. So we are going to load up the website editor. So as you can see, this is considered all the header of the page or the home page. So when you click on it, it is going to be defined as header. What can we change for it or delete from it? Basically, I can go ahead and delete the text and also the subtext that I can have like that. And also the button, I can click on it and then I can go ahead and have the button deleted. So I'm going to hide up this button. And aside from that, I cannot do much. For example, I can also have here the logo, delete it, and also the site navigation are not going to be hidden. So aside from that, it is going to be the completely thing. And also, you can go ahead and have the cover media right there changed or deleted to a slideshow, a video, or an image. So that was pretty much it for the modification or the delete options that you're going to have on the header, because unfortunately we cannot have it as much as we want. You can also change the layout of the header to maybe a lighter one. So as you can see, you can have something like this, that, or this. Now, aside from that, it is completely dead. Now, let's say that we have here another page or we have created another page, but you're going to click on the page and you're not going to see the header. The cover image is not available. But you're going to see the only site navigation. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.